Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Rockin' Rafi's Home Cooking. Today we're gonna do something very simple, very easy. There's a place in Los Angeles called Zankou Chicken, and we're gonna make their famous rotisserie chicken wrap. Let's get to it. What you're gonna need is shredded rotisserie chicken, diced up tomatoes, garlic dip, and pita bread. So what do you say? Let's start making this wrap and get those vampires out of here. You will need pita bread. You will need as much as you want garlic paste or sauce. Let's add the shredded chicken. Add some tomatoes. And let's roll it up. Let's go ahead and make another one. Gentlemen, you want to put enough garlic on here to make you grow some hair on your chest. And in the toaster it goes for about 6 minutes. And they are ready. And that's all there is to it. Alongside of what goes along with this rotisserie chicken wrap, Lebanese pickles as well as hot peppers. Time to dive in. So good. And that's a wrap. Get it? Chicken rotisserie wrap. Thanks for watching. Make this at home. I promise you, you are going to love it. And until next time, keep on rocking.